video, I have another YESSTYLE haul for you guys. So you seem to really love my first YESSTYLE haul, and I think I used it as an excuse to get more clothes from YESSTYLE. I definitely got a lot of clothes from YESSTYLE this haul, and also I really like all the things that I got in this haul. Everything fits so well and it's like good quality, unlike the first haul where I got a few items that I really hated. By the way, I made 2 orders from YESSTYLE, and the second order there was one piece that took super long for YESSTYLE to get it, so it really took a long time for me to get it. I will be just putting the details in the description box because I don't want to make this intro super long. My measurements is I have 24 waist and I'm 5 feet tall, and I think that's it. Okay guys, so before I start showing you everything that I got in this haul, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell because I upload every week. And also, if you like, you can check out my social media. I'll be putting it right here. And I do have a code for more discount. It's just Princess How. I'll be putting it down here, Princess How, and you can get more discount, which is really helpful because we all want to save. Also, if you want to get the things that I got, I'll be putting the links down in the description box for you. I'll be putting the code as well in the description box and all the other details, so just check out the description box. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first item that I got is this cartoon print crop tee. I really like the graphic on this. It's super cute and it says such cute, which I really love. I love the colors and it's really good quality. So I got medium for this, but I could definitely size up if I want a more looser fit. I could definitely get large, to be honest. It's very good quality and it's stretchy, and also it's not see-through at all. The print is really nice, as you can see, and it's super soft too. The next item that I got is this lace top. It looks super cute. It looks very vintagey, which I really love, and it's very dainty. So I've been really into like the vintage princess kind of vibe. So I really like this. It's an off-white color. There's a ribbon in the middle, as you can see. And the lining is like key colored lining. This is really good quality, and I'm glad I got size small for this because it was kind of loose. I was kind of scared that it's gonna be too small for me, but it was actually very loose and comfortable to wear, and I really like this. This is such a unique piece, and I'm so glad I found this on YESSTYLE and they have it on YESSTYLE. I feel like a cute lace bra underneath would be so cute. The next top that I got is this lace tank top. It has some lace on here, on the sleeves, and also on the neckline, and also at the bottom there's lace. I figured this would be a nice basic to have, and I could pair this with anything, but actually the fit of this is kind of big on me, which is really surprising, and it's a little boxy on the chest part. It doesn't hug my body that well, maybe because I don't have a big chest. But yeah, this didn't hug my body at all, but it's super stretchy. It's really good quality though. The next top that I got is this lace floral tank top. It's just super cute. I really love the colors of this. It looks very dainty, and I really love the colors of the flowers. It's just super cute, and the ribbon is also very cute with the lace. The quality of this is really good. It's kind of on the thinner end, but it's not super thin and it's not see-through. I've been wanting to get a similar top like this from Brandy, but I just don't want to spend like that much on like a tank top, I guess. So I'm glad they have it on YESSTYLE because it's super affordable and it's cute. I got this lace top. So it's see-through. It's see-through in here, but the bust part is not see-through. It kind of feels cheap a little, but it looks really good on. This cup doesn't have any wires, so it's just like basically just like fabric. Like this is just basically fabric, so it won't support your chest, but Yeah, I still think that this is cute and worth for the money just because it's super cheap, and I really like how it looks. Also, you can see there's like this little flower which is really cute. I'm still not sure what kind of bra I'm gonna wear in this, but I'm gonna be wearing like something like pasties or like silicone bra, I guess, for this. But yeah, I really like how it looks. It looks so pretty and dainty, and I just love it so much. So moving on, the next item that I got is this t-shirt. Okay, so how cute is that? The print of this is just so cute. I really love the angel. It's just like very vintage vibes, and the quality of the shirt is really thick and good quality. This one is such a good quality t-shirt, and I just love the print of this. It's just like very vintage, princess fairy kind of vibe, and yeah, I really like this. Moving on, the next item that I got, this is actually a set. It came with this cami top, and there's a short for this, the shorts. So as you can see, there's like, it's just a white shorts, but it has this like rose detail in the middle, which I thought was like super cute. And the top is this. There's a lace right here in the chest part, and there's a rose again, which I really love. Oh, there's a lace on the bottom too. So the quality of this is really good. It's not see-through at all, and I just love how this looks like, you know, it's like super dainty. By the way, I sized up for this. I got medium, and it fits really good. Medium fits me really good. I actually could get large for a more like comfy fit, so definitely size up on this, guys. I definitely have a lot of items to show, so I'm just gonna be like fast because I talk way too much about each item, and I honestly can't believe I am that person. Next item that I got is just this sweatshirt. I heard this is a dupe for the Brandy Melville sweater, but yeah, this is super good quality, and the embroidery is like super good quality. It's super soft, it's thick. This is just so comfy. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. Like, I love sweaters, I love hoodies, I just love like comfy clothing, so I'm gonna be definitely wearing this a lot. Oh, and it has pockets too, guys. I got the one with pockets. So they actually have two options, the one with pocket and the one with no pocket. So at that time when I was getting this, they have the one with pockets in stock. So I'm glad I have the one with pockets because it's just so handy. The next item that I got a vest. It's this vest. Is there a word for boxier? But yeah, it's very boxier than I thought it would be. I'm not sure if I like that kind of vest. I think I need to wear it a lot for me to really feel if I like that kind of fit. But yeah, I really love the colors of this one. I grabbed red. I just feel like this is gonna be perfect for the fall and winter too. So I grabbed this. It's very good quality. It's thick material. It's super soft, thick material, and good quality. The only thing that I'm not sure about is how it fits me. I'm not sure if I like that kind of fit because it's very boxy, like really boxy. The next item that I got is I got another vest, but this time it's just a solid color. I got green. So this is definitely gonna be easier to style just because it's solid color. And also this is kind of boxy, but not as boxy as the other vest that I showed you. But yeah, I really like the color. It's so vibrant, and I feel like this is gonna be perfect for the fall. So the material is not as thick as the other vest that I showed you. It's more of a lighter material, but it's still super good quality and it's super soft. I definitely like this a lot. And yeah, next thing that I got from YESSTYLE is this top. It's just this tank top. I got this. It's just very like badass kind of tank top. So the print is actually like how do you say this? you know, like kinda, it's not like, what do you say? Can't explain it. I feel like this is so good quality. It looks really good, and I can't wait to style this and wear this, to be honest. And yeah, it's just a good tank top. The next thing that I got is this. It's just a leopard shirt. It has a very thin material, but I feel like this is gonna be perfect for the summer. It's very light, and the fabric is very breathable. I can't wait to style this, to be honest, because I don't usually wear shirts. It's just not my style that much, but I just love the animal print, and I've been so into animal prints lately, so I can't wait to style this and yeah, and see if I'm kind of experimenting with my style. So I just really want to try this. First of all, the calling looks good. It looks oversized, which I could probably wear like a black tank top underneath and just like leave it open, or probably I can button this up and tuck it in jeans or something. But yeah, so I grabbed this crop denim jacket. The quality of this is super good, and I got medium for this, by the way, just because I want it to be a little oversized. I don't want it to be super fitted, and it's definitely oversized. As you can see, I haven't cut the holes yet, so I will do that later. There's definitely a lot of holes. There's 3 at the back, and then on the front there's like 4, and also on the sleeves there's like 1 and then 1. So I definitely need to do a lot of cutting, but it's just super good quality, and I like how it fits me. This is definitely worth it, and I like this. And I love the wash of this. It looks really good. Feel like I can wear this with a lot of different things, which I love. The next item that I got from YESSTYLE is this check cardigan. It looks super cute and adorable, and it's so fuzzy and soft. It's actually heavy because it's so good quality. It's actually kind of heavy, but when I wear this, it's just like the softest thing ever. I got this in size small, but it fits me really good. And I can't really say anything about this, but I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. I just love this so much, and I like the color and the buttons on this. There's like different colors of buttons, and it's like heart buttons. So from what I know, this is like a dupe for like the doll skill cardigan, but I'm not really sure. So yeah, but this is just so soft. I'm glad I got this. It's just super cute. Look at this. Okay guys, so we are gonna be moving on to the bottoms. First skirt that I got is this. It's just a black skirt, black plain skirt. It fits me really good. The only thing, this doesn't have like shorts inside, so and it kind of rides up a little, so I definitely need to wear like safety shorts underneath this. The quality of the material is kind of stretchy and kind of thick material, which is really nice. It's really good quality. The only thing, yeah, it doesn't have like any safety shorts inside, so I definitely need to wear that when I wear this. And yeah, this plaid skirt is just, I got the black and white, and it's super good quality. It has shorts underneath too, which is really handy and nice. It's not too short, it's not too long. I got size small in this. It's just super good quality. I might get the other color, and it's only like $10, I think, which is super affordable. It's just super soft. The fabric is super soft, and it's not thick material, but it's not like super thin material. It's kind of like on the middle thickness. And yeah, the next bottom that I got is this zebra print. I was super excited about this one because I don't have anything like this yet in my wardrobe. I don't have any like crazy looking pants or like animal print pants. I've been really getting into the animal print lately, and when I saw this on YESSTYLE, I just had to get this. I just love how it looks. looks super cool, and I feel like wearing this with something black on top is just gonna be super cute, and it's gonna be a look. This pants is very thin, to be honest. I didn't expect it to be this thin. I honestly don't know what kind of material this is, but it's super thin, but it's not see-through at all, which is nice. I feel like this is gonna be perfect for like summer or fall, but definitely I would not be able to wear this in winter because it's super thin and it's just breathable. It's not like super well made. You can see there's like threads hanging out and bunching up, but it's definitely okay, I guess. This pants probably won't last long because it's not like super good quality, but I just love how it looks, and I feel like I can get really good pictures of this pants. The fit of this is really good. Like, it fits my waist perfectly and my hips, which is really nice because it is so hard for me to find like pants that fit me well. I really love this pants. Moving on, I got one jeans. So I got this jeans. This has the contrast stitch going on. It looks more grayish. It's not black at all. It fits me really good, and the quality of the jeans is actually very good quality jeans material for the price. The stitching is not perfect. The stitching is definitely not perfect and a little messy, but I could just like fix that. And I think you can tighten the sides too if you want, which is really handy, which I really like. I really like this. I still really like this. It fits me really good. It's so hard for me to find like jeans that fit me perfectly, and it's not like super pricey that's gonna break my bank, I guess. But yeah, this is so nice. So if you're like looking for a loose fitting jeans or like straight cut jeans, kind of wide leg jeans, but you don't want to spend like $50 on, definitely get this on YESSTYLE. It's gonna be worth it, and I feel like I'll be able to use this a lot, which is really nice because it's not like super cheaply made. Okay guys, so I almost forgot to show you one dress that I got. So I got this super cute dress. It's a lace dress, and it just like looks super dainty and just like innocent, and the bottom has like this like mesh lace, and it's just super adorable. I just love this so much, and it fits me really well. It's a little loose on the sleeve, but it's not like super loose or anything. But I really like the color of this. I might get the other one. They have a green colored one. I might get that too. And this is super cheap for like the quality and the design of the dress. This is only like $20, I think. And yeah, I love the puff sleeves so much. I love it, and it just looks super vintage, which I really love. So you can see it looks like this. I feel like a princess when I wear this, which is like under this lace mesh, there's like this floral fabric inside. The last thing that I got is the sheer tights. I got it in black. I feel like this will be cute like under skirts, or like especially when it's kind of chilly outside. I will definitely wear this under skirts. Okay guys, so that's everything that I got from YESSTYLE. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!